Hi everyone, this is Maria John from Darsana IELTS OET Academy, Kottayam. Darsana IELTS OET Academy is a renowned educational institution located in Kottayam, Kerala, India. Managed by the respected CMI Fathers, the Academy has earned a reputation for providing high-quality training for students aspiring to excel in the International English Language Testing System, IELTS, and the Occupational English Test, OET. With a team of experienced and dedicated professionals, Darsana IELTS OET Academy ensures that students receive comprehensive guidance and support throughout their preparation journey. The Academy takes pride in its personalized approach to teaching, tailoring study plans to meet the individual needs and goals of each student. Apart from IELTS and OET preparation, Darsana IELTS OET Academy also offers a variety of other courses to cater to the diverse needs of its students. These additional courses include UKVI UK Visas and Immigration. The Academy's expert faculty provides comprehensive guidance on the IELTS for UKVI exam, which is required for visa purposes. German language courses for students interested in learning German or preparing for German language exams like GOET Certificate. Darsana IELTS OET Academy offers courses tailored to various proficiency levels. Spoken English. The Spoken English course is designed for students and professionals looking to improve their English communication skills. PTE Pearson Test of English Preparation. For those who prefer an alternative to the IELTS exam, Darsana IELTS OET Academy offers PTE preparation courses. Some of the key features of Darsana IELTS OET Academy are: experienced faculty. The Academy boasts a team of highly skilled and qualified teachers who are well-versed in their respective fields and have 20 years of experience in guiding students to achieve their desired scores. Comprehensive study materials. Darsana provides extensive study materials, including books, audio recordings, and practice tests, to help students familiarize themselves with exam formats and develop the necessary skills. Mock tests and assessments. Regular mock tests and assessments are conducted to track students' progress and identify areas for improvement. Small class sizes. The Academy maintains small class sizes, allowing for individual attention and focused learning. Flexible timings. Understanding the busy schedules of students and working professionals, Darsana IELTS OET Academy offers flexible class timings, enabling learners to attend classes at their convenience. Result-oriented approach. The Academy's primary focus is on helping students achieve their desired results, whether it is for academic or professional purposes. In conclusion, Darsana IELTS OET Academy in Kottayam is an excellent choice for students seeking to excel in the IELTS or OET exams. With its experienced faculty, personalized approach, and state-of-the-art facilities, the Academy provides an ideal environment for students to achieve their language proficiency goals.